Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you how you can create a half or quarter circle on Figma without any technical or graphic designing skills whatsoever. So let us get started right away. Head over to your design on Figma and let me add a circle and later convert that circle into a quarter circle here in that space. So what you want to do is select circle as your shape. If it's not selected but a rectangle, simply click into that arrow down icon and select ellipse from that drop down menu, or use the shortcut O. After that, start drawing your circle with your left mouse, hold your left mouse and draw a circle. To stabilize it, press and hold left shift to make a clean circle like that. There you go. Now let me just change the color for better contrast here in the property panel to the right. So click into that color here under fill and select any color you like. So let me go with a greenish color, just like that. So after that, guys, left click into your circle while having the move tool selected. And let me zoom in a bit. You will see here on the right edge of the circle that small dot, which is called arc. So left click into it and hold your left mouse. And while moving that arc dot, for example, to the center of your circle or to the bottom here, you'll be given the opportunity to cut out parts of your circle, and that way to convert it into a half circle like that. Or if you rotate that arc dot to the top, you will be able to convert that circle into a quarter circle. Now, if you can't find the spot here with these 90 degrees angle, guys, simply use again left shift to stabilize it, and that is going to create a perfect quarter circle like this. And that's basically it. Now, if you like, you can keep customizing your quarter circle and, for example, click into one of these angles here and, for example, move it outwards or inwards to play around with your quarter circle and to create all kinds of shapes, as you can see. So that's basically it. Let me just return to the previous circle. And yeah, that's it. That's how we do it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.